friends. I just want to introduce you to my two boys, Sun and Moon.
So, what's the name of this plushie?
Moondrop.
Moondrop. Oh. Hi, I'm Moondrop. And the other one is?
Sundrop. Am I supposed to hold them?
Yeah, hold them both in the neck. There you go.
They don't have necks.
Pretend they have neck. There you go. Hold them together, please.
Yeah, and then they just and then they just sit. It's wow, hi, Sundrop. Someone's stopping because of my sleeves.
Okay, bye.
Bye bye. Hi. See you tomorrow. Fidget spinner.